Hey guys, today we got our Worm Factory 360. It's an upward migration composting worm bin system, and basically it's for all your vegetable and table scraps and all fruit scraps, peels and cores, pizza crust, cereal, crackers, stale bread, shredded paper, peanut shells, magazines, Kleenex, napkins, cardboard, junk mail, coffee grounds and filters, crushed eggshells, tea bags, dead flowers and plants, leaves, plant trimmings, you name it, except for dairy products and meat. The worms are supposed to break it down and turn it into worm castings, which are good for your garden, good fertilizer, and ultimately it decreases the methane you put in your trash that goes out into landfills. So let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what's in this thing. The Guide to Vermicomposting. I have to read that first. Magazine option. Alright, got the worm ladder. Got the lid. The base. It's already got the spigot end on there. Alright. In most videos, people's had to put that on. Looks like it's on there good and tight. Put my worm ladder in there. And what we got? Shredded newspaper. A thermometer. The pumice. The coconut coir, scraper, and a rake, and the rock dust, and 4 trays. Alright, that's it. We got it. Let's get this thing put together. Alright, got my coconut core broken in half. Pretty close to half, yeah. I have had some water sitting in this jug. If you live in a city that has water treatment, as I do, and they put chlorine and fluoride in your water, you want to let it sit and evaporate out for a day or so. So I have done that, so my worms don't get chlorine. I'll let that sit and soak up some water. Coconut cores all watered down. Now I've got to add a tablespoon of the rock dust and half a bag of the pumice. And it says to use 1 or 2 cups of garden soil to help add some microbes. Grab some. Went ahead and grab some bell pepper leaves that have fallen off too. And mix it all up. I'm going to add a half a bag of the shredded newspaper. mix it all up. I got my paper down in my first tray. Just start adding it to it. Okay, so you're supposed to add 2 to 3 cups of food before you add your worms. It says in every corner. So I had put half a bag of spinach and a couple of bad bananas, because it's hard to find bananas that last nowadays. But went ahead and made them a smoothie. Pour a little bit in each corner. Smell good, Nick? I gave the frozen smoothie some time to get to room temperature. It's cool now. I'm gonna add my worms. I did go with the Acinia fetida, which is the red wigglers. I got those in last week, actually a week ago today. And that's it. It says to let them get used to it and leave the top off so the light draws them down, and we'll see what happens. That's the Worm Factory 360. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment and have a great day.